Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished for that radiant, glowing skin? What if I told you that the secret to beautiful skin could be hiding in your kitchen right now? That's right. Today, we're diving into a simple, effective skincare routine using natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. With everything going on in the world, there has never been a better time to embrace beauty and self-care. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about cleansing. Cleansing is crucial because it removes dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. For a natural cleanser, you can use honey. Honey is great because it has antibacterial properties and helps to hydrate the skin. To make your honey cleanser, simply take a tablespoon of raw honey and massage it onto your face for about 2 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. Your skin will feel fresh and clean. Next, we move on to exfoliating. Exfoliation is important because it helps to remove dead skin cells, making way for new, healthy skin. You can create a gentle scrub with sugar and olive oil. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Use this mixture to scrub your face gently in circular motions for about a minute. This will leave your skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Now, let's talk about toning. Toning helps to balance your skin's pH and tightens pores. A great natural toner can be made with apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Use a cotton ball to apply the toner on your face after cleansing. It will give you a refreshing feeling and improve your skin's texture. Moving on to moisturizing, which is incredibly important. Moisturizing helps maintain your skin's hydration levels. You can use coconut oil as a natural moisturizer. Take a small amount and warm it between your palms before applying it to your face. Coconut oil is excellent for dry skin and provides a beautiful glow. Let's not forget about masks. Face masks provide an extra boost to your skincare routine. One easy mask to make is a banana and yogurt mask. Mash half a banana and mix it with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. This mask is packed with vitamins and will leave your skin feeling soft and nourished. Speaking of hydration, drinking enough water helps keep your skin clear and vibrant. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Hydration from the inside out is key to achieving that beautiful glow. Lastly, don't overlook the power of a good night's sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's not just about the products you use but also about taking care of your body as a whole. And that wraps up our natural skincare routine. If you enjoyed these tips and you're excited to try this routine, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have any natural skincare tips to share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy DIY beauty tips. Remember, beautiful skin doesn't have to come from a bottle. Sometimes, the best solutions are right at home. Thanks for watching, and take care of your skin.